Turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a small socket wrench and a 7mm socket, release the clamp on the air supply conduit. Then take it out. You can now unscrew the 4 screws on the cover of the airbox with a socket wrench, a big extender and a 25mm Torx socket. Remove the cover on the airbox. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter. Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. Put the new filter in. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the cover back on, lining it up with the location of the 3 tabs. While holding the cover in place, put the 4 screws back on and tighten them with a socket wrench, a big extender and a 25mm Torx socket. Be careful to not overdo the tightening, you could damage the plastic. Reassemble the air supply conduit and tighten the metal clamp. Operation completed.